Hello and welcome to another uMake tutorial series. My name is Nico, and in this tutorial series I am going to walk you through the steps to create a necklace, and in this case it's more like a choker made up of various patterns. So to start off, as you can see, I have a circle and two horizontal lines. The circle is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. I set the grid units into centimeters under the settings and then under dimensions and centimeters here. And then I moved the circle down from the front view and drew these two horizontal lines using the precision tool. The reason I have these horizontal lines is I'm going to actually create a pattern within them, like a little square. And imagine if that little square with a pattern in it is kind of like a metal, kind of like a laser cut or etched metal surface. And then we're going to make an array of those that's going to create a nice little choker. So to get started, what I want to do once you have this is I'm just going to start drawing some organic curves, and I don't really know where this is going to go, so it's going to be pretty fun to see what happens. So I'm going to draw a curve like this, and maybe another curve that kind of parallels it. And you'll see that because I have the two horizontal lines, it fills in with a surface. And I'll draw a curve like this, another one like this, and something like that. Maybe something that comes in like that. And then something like this. Maybe I'll have let's do that again. And the point is I'm trying to kind of make a nice pattern here. I'll kind of close off this edge here. There we go. Maybe do something that bridges between that there, maybe here. Oh. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I have no idea what this will give, but we'll find out in just a little bit. I think I'm going to add one more curve there. Okay, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and get rid of the sections that I don't think I need. So get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this big one here, this one here. I need to add a little curve. Let's see. This one here. This one there, this bottom one. Actually, all of these bottom ones. And now you have this little pattern, and I think that looks pretty cool. We will see what this gives, but for now, that's what we have. And I'm going to come in and get rid of this end here, this here, and that. And so next thing I want to do is just want to even out all the line weight. So I'm selecting everything, and under pen, I'm going to come in and change this down to a little lighter. So now everything has equal line weight. So that is our piece that we are going to use for the actual choker. And one thing that you might notice here is there is like all these things here, and then you just have these curves at the bottom. I actually didn't add any width here, so I think I should do that. I'm going to draw a curve here and another one like that. That one I'll actually kind of, well, I'll do something there. Now, now that you see that, I've actually added some surface, so I need to come back in and erase some of the ones I got rid of again. That's okay. as you make your pattern or your piece, you'll kind of notice some issues. That actually looks really cool. Let's get rid of this one too. I'm liking this. Cool. All right, so that's done now. And with that done, I'm actually going to move it over like this, and then up like that. And I need to turn snap to grid off for this. Just kind of move it over to the edge of this curve. And we're going to stop there for the first part of this necklace tutorial. So what you saw is we created this nice little pattern piece here. And this is going to actually become the choker, the necklace. Imagine this just kind of these as like individual pieces that are held together, chained together, and they create a necklace or a choker. I hope you like this. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions for us, definitely let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this, let us know and reach out to us on our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube channels. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care, guys.